Hi, and thanks for choosing to watch this SalesLogix video on adding a ticket within the SalesLogix web client. The tickets area within SalesLogix is where you can record, monitor, action, and resolve any type of customer service issue. This might be a product problem that needs to be fixed or a complaint. With the associated functionality, tickets can also be used as a way of recording and tracking certain jobs or tasks, like an engineer attending an on-site support issue, and recording time and parts used to resolve the problem. Further functionality also allows you to associate tickets to contracts and assets, and also to log product defects and track customer returns. Let's suppose that a customer of ours phones and says he has a problem with his laptop. If your company is using contracts and assets, you might first navigate to the company view, in this case applied post, and check to see if they have a valid contract and also that his laptop is covered. You would also at this point check that you have the person's contact details. We've got everything covered, so let's go ahead and add the ticket. I tend to start with the contact or account as my active view, so that when I either select New Ticket from the menu bar, or right-click on the Tickets button and select New Ticket, some of the information is filled in for me. I could change any details using the lookup buttons here. As applied post has only one contract, the ticket has been associated with that contract, but you could select another if they have one using the lookup. The lookup will only return contracts associated to the company. The area category issue fields are a waterfall selection area. Simply click on area, and then as you select an item, the category options change, and so on and so forth. This lookup can be configured by the administrator to include the items required. Highlight the correct area, then select the category and issue, and click OK. Fill in the source of the ticket and decide on the status. This is normally open as you add a ticket. Select an urgency. The administrator can configure different urgencies, and depending on which one you choose, the needed date and time will be calculated. This can be used if you have specific service level agreements with customers. You can also manually set the needed date. The assigned is set at the time of entry of the ticket, and it is assigned by default to the logged in user. You can, however, assign tickets to other users using the lookup. You can flag if you have managed to resolve the issue immediately, and also submit the information to the SalesLogix knowledge base known as Speed Search. The Approve for Speed Search and Public Access fields are related to the ticket portal that customers can be given access to log and monitor their own tickets. Fill in a subject and then write a more detailed description, which you can date timestamp as required using the button to the right. The two other lookups allow you to search in the Speed Search knowledge base or standard problems and solutions. If you know the resolution at this stage, you can fill it in and also add some internal comments. Once everything has been filled in, remember to save. The ticket now presents itself in the familiar format of details at the top and tabs at the bottom containing additional information. The details are where we can update our description and resolution. We have tabs for adding activities and seeing related activities, and we can also add additional comments. We can be very specific about specifying which asset this ticket refers to in related assets. Simply click on the green plus sign and look up the asset based on the serial number. The Journal tab provides a neat audit trail of what has been done with this ticket, and the ticket timeline gives a neat visual presentation of activities as work is done on this ticket. Ticket activity parts will list any parts that have been added as part of a ticket activity, and we can add also attachments against the ticket. If you're using the full support functionality of defects and returns, we can link those items in the defects and returns tabs. It should be noted that our new ticket is one of many, and we can see the normal list view groups at the top of the screen. Also, we can go to our contact view and see all the tickets associated to the contact, or go to the account and see all the tickets listed against the company. Also, if we navigate to the contract for applied post, we can now see that the ticket has been associated with the contract and listed accordingly. Finally, we can easily search for tickets by right-clicking and choosing Look Up Ticket on the main ticket button. We'll take a look at working with tickets in another video, but in the meantime, always read the help files if you have any problems, and thanks for watching this SalesLogix video.